All right, guys, here we go. Problem number 2. So here's what we have here. We have x to the 8th, y, remember there's a 1 here, and then z to the 5th, all raised to the power of 3. So I'm just go ahead and write that 1 because we know if there's not an exponent written, there is one, and it's a 1 right there. All right, bam. So how do we approach this? Let's do PIMDAL. So I say, hey, in my parentheses, is there anything that I can simplify, multiply here? Well, we have x to the 8th, y to the first, z to the 5th power. There's really nothing I can change in here. All right, so we're done with parentheses. Now we look at the exponents. Oh, look, I have an exponent to another exponent. Well, so I have 5 to the power of 3, 1 to the power of 3, 8 to the power of 3. When I have power to a power, what do? Multiply. All right, let's do it. So we're going to multiply. So let's go ahead. We have to make sure we do it to each exponent inside that parentheses. So this is now going to become x to the, what is that, 8 times 3. What's 8 times 3? 24. So this actually becomes x to the 24th power. Bam. And then so we have 3 times 1. So that's really 1 times 3. But what does that become? That becomes y to the power of 3. Then this is 3 times 5. What is that going to become? Z 3 times 5. Well, that's actually z to the power of 15. And because I separated into smaller parts and we're just multiplying, we just multiply it all together. When I multiply letters like this, they literally just get squished back together. So now it becomes x to the 24th, y to the 3rd, z to the 15th. Do I have any more same bases? I don't, right? We have an x, we have a y, we have a z. Those are all different. So this right here is your final answer. That's it. Easy, easy.